VWC staff developed this tool to simplify the fee lookup and calculation process. By entering the correct data combinations such as the zip code for the location of service, jurisdiction claim number, if unknown, any value up to 12 characters in length, date of service, billing codes, and provider type, the MFS calculator conveniently returns the fee schedule maximum reimbursement amounts directly from the medical fee schedule. The calculator tool also applies reductions to the fees from the ground rules document to help the user determine the adjusted maximum fees for applicable services. An additional feature includes a statistical link displaying the number of visitors, reviewed codes, and the combined maximum fees returned by the tool. Let's run through a quick example to see how the tool works. First, enter the zip code for where the medical services took place. The calculator will automatically determine the applicable region. To identify regions for services rendered outside of Virginia, refer to the Virginia Statute 65.2-605 to determine the appropriate zip code to use. Next, enter the jurisdiction claim number, or JCN, and click Create Bill. Enter the date of service for the medical services. Next, enter the billing code in question and click Find Code. The tool will then give an option to select the place of service to identify the applicable fee schedule. After selecting the place of service, select the provider category. Enter the billed amount and any applicable modifiers. It is important to click the plus or add button for each modifier. Click Add Service and the calculator tool will return the max fee and apply any applicable modifiers or reductions and display it as the adjusted max fee. You may enter as many billing codes as you'd like. Please note, any billable service that is listed under the medical fee schedule as per service will not permit the user to obtain the fee schedule maximum amount for a code with multiple units. If applicable and multiple units are referenced in the description of the code, repeat the code entry for each additional unit. If a code does not appear in the calculator tool, that does not mean it is not a reimbursable code. It simply means this code must be submitted to the Medical Fee Services Department to determine the fee schedule maximum amount. You may remove any service billing code by clicking the Remove button, or you can clear the entire bill by clicking the Clear Bill button. If after confirming the code and there are no results in the calculator, please refer to the ground rules document or contact the Medical Fee Services Department. Once you have finished entering all services, the results can be exported into an Excel file by clicking the Export button. You are welcome to contact the Medical Fee Services Department with additional questions or concerns.